Alright, so this is the start of our reactions lab. This one here is set up into 7 different stations. This one here is station number 1. We're going to start off here with a piece of copper. So you can take any of this copper wiring here. It's a solid. Right? And what we're going to do here is we're going to stick it into the Bunsen burner. For this reaction here, we're going to be using a blue flame, which is the hottest the Bunsen burner can get. So I'm going to strike the Bunsen burner here. I'm going to strike it on there. Okay. Remember, the hottest part of the Bunsen burner here is the top of the bright blue cone. It's about 1500, 1600 degrees or so. I definitely don't want to be holding on to this copper here as it's being heated. So all I'm going to do here is I'm going to grab a wire here, and all I'm going to do is just hold it at the top of that bright blue cone. Give it a couple seconds or so to actually get it up to that temperature. Now this copper wiring here has been used over multiple years, so you might see some of the black soot that's actually moving back and forth. But concentrate more so on the actual wiring portion of it. Especially if this wire here is fairly thin, the Bunsen burner will actually be hot enough to actually melt it down. But what we're doing is we're making an observation what happens to this piece of copper as it's being put into this blue flame here. Now that I'm done with this one here, I'm going to just turn off the Bunsen burner here. This copper would still be very, very hot, so you don't want to be just leaving it on any table surface or whatnot. I'm just going to stick it back in the beaker, just making sure that no one also reaches into this beaker as well. Okay, this is what the copper looks like after the fact here. Okay. So pretty much no change from before and after. Okay. Again, that's reaction number 1. Thanks, guys.